so excited to tell you. Guys, have you ever heard the word Phu Quoc? Guys, oh my gosh, Phu Quoc is an island. But before that, I just want to welcome our new subscribers. Welcome to our channel, everyone. And now we are here in the most nicest beach here in Phu Quoc. Guys, oh my gosh, you won't believe this. You know what? They have powder sand white beach hair, guys. And also the water here doesn't have waves. I'm gonna show you that I am telling the truth. Let's go. Yay! Okay, so this is the water area. I mean, for the games. Yes. So they have big balloons here, guys, and you will enter inside the balloon. That would be interesting. Oh, I see the balloon is coming. So this is the water games. Water games. Water sport. Oh my gosh, we are in the water sport area. Sometimes I found out myself funny. So this is the water sport area, guys, but now the people goes to the shade because it's so hot. But it's good to swim when it's sunny day, right, guys? And they have also many swing here, guys. Okay, so I still have something that I'm gonna show you. Did you see the water, guys? See, it doesn't have waves. If you are also thirsty, need cold drinks or something to eat that is cold, you can buy ice cream, guys. See, we have ice cream. So this is the by Sao Beach bar. Water sport. Wow, so they have only parasailing here, jet ski, and banana floats, super boat, fly cam, and so far. Hello. Okay, so oh my gosh, guys, I'm so amazed that they have dolphin here, airhead. I'm gonna show you this. See, this is their water sport here. Hi. There are also many boats here. So this is what they use. And if you are addictive in coffee, they have also coffee here, coffee shop. Highlands Coffee. But we will not go there because it's so hot. I am here. We are here to show you how beautiful their beach here in Phu Quoc, guys. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. Look at this. Oh, see? There is no waves. And do you know what's more interesting, guys? Oh my gosh. The sand. Their sand here is powder. It's different. This is, you know guys, this is my first time to see sand like this. Whew. I only see this here in Vietnam. Yes, you are correct. We are here in Vietnam and we are in one of the island here in Vietnam, which is Phu Quoc. Yes, Phu Quoc. Okay, so they have also Long Beach here. That's why I'm so excited to show you guys. Did you see that? Did you see that? They have so many ferry here. And I just read to the internet also, guys, that before we came here, of course we are reading what was here in this beach because we want to know, we want to be aware. And I read that there is starfish here. Oh my god, I'm so excited to see starfish. Okay. That's so much people here. Maybe only those people come here. Hello, kids.
It's raining pink.
I just say hello. I'm gonna show you how much there. What's this? Balgam? $20. This is nice. Hello, little one. Oh, Apple! That's the most interesting. Okay. They have also food here beside the beach. come here, guys. Ay! Okay, we are not yet. Oh my god, so interesting to come here. See? Dog. They love sleeping in the sand. Oh my gosh, there are so many fish.
Wat is je vraag?
Nou, ik ben de lucht er nog op.
Funny.